Hello, my name is Dr. Frank Bedu Ansang. I am an obstetrician gynecologist from Ghana, West Africa. I've been practicing as an obstetrician gynecologist for the past 14 years, and I'm passionate about infertility, reproductive medicine, family planning, and then minimal access surgery. I came to Medicity Hospital in India in search of more knowledge and experience in IVF and reproductive medicine and minimal access surgery. My experience here in India has been a good one. In terms of reception, I've had a very good reception from the Medicity management and staff. In fact, the reception from all the staff has been very great. I'm so grateful to Mr. Sandeep for all the nice treats and tours he took us. We really enjoyed ourselves. In terms of the training, we've had an in-depth training in IVF and minimal access surgery. And we're tutored by the best in this area of medicine from India. We've had very in-depth knowledge and practical experience as well. I believe that I have acquired enough knowledge and practical experience to go back to my country to make a difference in the lives of so many of my patients. I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Aka Kiplani, who is one of the best minimal access surgeon here in this part of India. I had opportunity to actually do hysteroscopies on my own with her guidance, and it's so fulfilling. I'm so grateful. I intend to set up an IVF unit and make it affordable so that so many couples that are battling with infertility will be able to benefit from this knowledge and skill I've acquired. I also intend to use my skill and knowledge in minimal access surgery to also impact upon my patients, to both diagnostically and then surgically to help alleviate suffering. And I believe that it's been a good experience. I would recommend Medicity any day to any doctor who wants to acquire more knowledge, skill, and practical know-how in these areas of medicine I have mentioned. I'll recommend you that when you come to Medicity, you would get the knowledge, you get the experience, and you will learn from the best in India. Thank you very much, Medicity. I appreciate so much. I'm happy, and I feel that my coming to India has been worthwhile. Thank you.